Renting a meeting room. Want that boutique hotel experience for your next meeting, but with an attractive price tag? First, you should avoid the common mistake, which is to book a hotel meeting room. Yes, it often looks fantastic, but why pay $600 to $1,500 per a 3-hour meeting? Another mistake is renting a meeting room via a meeting room broker or a co-working space. Yes, the prices are good, but you're going to miss out on some very important features. Full on-site service. What happens if the room is out of whiteboard markers? What if you brought the USB instead of the HDMI cable to hook up the laptop to the monitor? Privacy. Co-working meeting rooms are open, also to prying eyes. Look for a meeting room that has curtains. Most brokered meeting rooms come with basic design. What you're looking for is a stylish venue, well designed with ambiance and chic. So if the hotel is too expensive and a brokered meeting room is lacking privacy, chic and on-site support, what can you do? Choose Meet in Place. Meet in Place operates meeting rooms, just meeting rooms, for meetings that matter. It's not a co-working space. Because there are 12 to 18 meeting rooms per venue, it makes it economically feasible to have a dedicated support team on the premises. Contemporary, stunning and luxurious design at Meet in Place infuse the space with positive energy. It's no wonder companies like Facebook, Google, McKinsey Consulting, Wix.com, SodaStream and major banks choose Meet in Place. Now available in multiple locations in New York City, London and Tel Aviv.